How to add or remove kids mode in quick panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to control center, so just swipe down. Now here, so click on this pen icon. So after click on this pen icon, click on edit. So after click on edit, so if you want to add kids mode in quick panel, so you will see kid mode is here, so click on kid. So you will see after click on kid and click on done and again click on done, you will see kit mode is add on quick setting panel. So after the process, go back to home screen. So if you want to remove kit mode in quick setting panel, so again go to quick setting panel and click on pen icon and click on edit. So after click on edit, so if you want to remove kit mode, so click on this minus icon. So after click on minus icon, you will see kit mode is here. So after the process, click on done and again click on done. So you will see kit mode is removed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add or remove kit mode in quick panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.